Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, bottom cover, fan, and heatsink. Removal. Note: the thermal grease should be replaced every time the heatsink is removed. Carefully remove the old thermal grease from the heatsink and processor by scraping it off with a straight plastic edge covered with an alcohol swab. Use alcohol and a soft cloth or an alcohol swab to clean all remaining thermal grease residue off of the heatsink and processor. Replacement. Use the thermal grease applicator to apply the proper amount of thermal grease along one edge of the processor core. Use the edge of a clean, thick piece of paper to spread the thermal grease evenly over the entire surface of the processor core.